Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, fill in the blanks. If A is greater than B, then what is the relation between minus A and minus B? Now we will see this by taking an example. Suppose A equals to 4 and B equals to 2. That is, A is greater than B. Now, minus A will be minus 4 and minus B will be minus 2. Let us draw a number line. Suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here, the numbers on the right hand side are greater. That is, here minus 4 is less than minus 2. That is, minus A is less than minus B. Hence, if A is greater than B, then minus A will be less than minus B.